Bonjour!
Bonjour!
Welcome back to the channel, Itchy Wheels. After a lot of planning, we're now heading down towards Morocco. So please join us.
Bonjour! Alors nous voilà finalement bien partis.
Un peu en retard, a little bit late.
Un petit peu en retard, mais non, on a 3 mois, donc on n'est pas en retard.
2 heures de retard sur 3 mois, on peut y oublier, oui. 2 hours late in a 3-month journey, we can forget that, so she's been forgiven.
Donc départ pour le Maroc, si vous n'avez pas deviné.
Yeah, today we're leaving Sainte-Maxime and we're heading down to the Spanish border, Puigcerda. Maybe we'll be there tonight, maybe not. I'm going to show you the road we're taking today on Travel Boost, a little application that you can use yourself. It's easy to use, so I'll just show you that now. And now we're travelling over or through the Camargue area, past Arles and down to where's it called? Béziers, somewhere. And then we're going to head out towards the Pyrenees and over the mountains into Spain.
Oui, ce matin c'était une belle route, très automnale.
That meant we had coloured leaves.
Bien sûr, on prend pas l'autoroute, c'est pas la peine. Il n'y a pas beaucoup de monde, mais demain c'est les vacances scolaires, alors.
Bon, is that it? C'est tout?
C'est tout.
You can see the French not very adventurous, are they? They ain't got a lot to say. Cut that out. We'll cut that. Anyway, we'll do a little bit more once we get there tonight and show you a little bit of filming on the way. Not too much of the road because it's boring. Probably film a bit as we go up into the Pyrenees, either tonight or tomorrow. Bloody fly! See you later!
See you later!
A plus!
À plus!
Bimbo! Hey Crystal!
Voilà, nous y sommes. Bonjour Morocco! C'est le départ. Le ciel est bleu, j'espère que nous allons retrouver le ciel bleu le plus souvent possible. Voilà, c'est parti. Direction Maroc. Est-ce que nous sommes à l'heure, Anthony, pour le départ?
Come on. Pardon, what did you say?
Est-ce que nous sommes à l'heure pour le départ?
À l'heure français, oui, en retard.
Non, c'est pas mal. Il est 10 heures.
On est en retraite.
Nous avons tout le temps devant nous. 3 mois plus. On ne sait pas. On part pour la première fois à l'aventure.
Well, welcome back. We've had a long day. We've done about 300-400 kilometres and we found ourselves a nice little spot. I'm retired, but this is a retirement home, but it's been abandoned, so we're parking here for the evening. It's next to the road. We'll get up and go early in the morning and head up in the Pyrenees.